Hello everyone, Diodam's here and welcome into our Lutong Bahay video. Today guys, I will be cooking an easy dish again, and this is salmon lemon butter. I found this recipe at Natashas kitchen YouTube channel, so it's very easy guys, and I want to make it for my family. So what we have here guys is of course salmon. I got 2 pieces of salmon. It's already cut up when I bought it from the store. I already seasoned it with salt and ground black pepper, both sides. And I also have 4 tablespoons of butter, lemon zest, and lemon juice. This is two pieces of lemon juice guys, and I squeeze it out. Now let's start. What we'll do first is of course heat our pan. See if it's hot. Hindi pa siya hot guys. Now our pan is heat na guys. Let's put our butter. Let's let it melt. Let our butter melt guys. So here it is guys, our butter is already melted. Now let's put in our salmon. I just hope na magkasya siya guys sa pan natin. Kasi kung hindi, kung maliit lang, we have to do this twice. Hindi nga siya magkasya. So I guess we will be cooking 4 pieces guys, kasi hindi magkasya sa pan ko. We'll fry this one guys from 4 to 5 minutes. Alright guys, it's time to flip our salmon. Let's cook the other side for another 2 to 3 minutes. Let's cook this side for 2 to 3 minutes guys. Guys, now let's continue frying these 2 pieces of salmon. I added butter guys, kasi sa pan ko, so I added butter to fry these 2, and later on we'll add them all together, and then we will add our other ingredients. So we'll fry this for another 4 to 5 minutes. Alright guys, it's time to add our other salmon. let's add our lemon zest. please. Let's simmer it real quick, guys. So you get those juices over the top of your salmon. Alright guys, let's transfer it in our serving plate. Oh, my goodness, not so full. And let's pour this juice over our salmon. Here it is guys, our lemon and butter salmon. You can garnish it with parsley or dill if you want, but since wala akong parsley or dill, so hindi ko na siya lalagyan ng garnish. We'll just let it like this. Alright? Thank you for watching guys. I hope you like this video. Give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!